Stop. You're literally just making things worse for yourself. Don't do that. Stop. Seriously. You're just making things worse for yourself.
Leave me alone.
Hey. Are you serious? Do not do this. Stop. Stop. We're done. You're already in this situation. Do not make it worse. Okay, here's the issue. You're about to catch another charge. So either face that way and let me put these handcuffs on you.
I'm single.
What, you 19?
Yeah. How old are you?
I'm almost old enough to be daddy.
Oh, I'll call you daddy. I like a good daddy. You're hotter than he is.
Well, thank you. I've been telling him that for years.
Yeah, he heard my...
A deputy pulls over a vehicle swerving dangerously near a ditch. As he approaches, he witnesses the driver, Sarah, throwing open alcohol bottles into the back
I
seat
need
to
your
hide
license,
them.
registration, proof of insurance. Is there any reason why you're all over the road like that?
I'm sorry.
Is there any reason why you're all over the... So when I was walking up here, I noticed you threw 2 bottles in the back seat.
I didn't.
Yes, ma'am, you did. This is the time to be honest with me, okay? Did you have anything to drink today?
I mean, I just came from the beach and I drank a little bit, but I haven't been drinking while I'm driving.
Okay, well, I can smell it coming from inside this vehicle, and you're...
Can you?
Yeah, you're slurring your words pretty bad, too. So, try to find this insurance for me really quick.
Yeah, of course.
223.
Here. That has my name on it.
223.
I haven't...
I don't need that.
Okay. What do you need?
Copy of floor deal. Your insurance for the vehicle.
So I just bought this
Sam.
vehicle? I just have, coffee.
Putting 2 alcoholic beverages, Mike's Hard Lemonade, in the back seat. Both are open. One looked like empty and one was like...
Which is regardless, you see
Okay.
me do that shit.
Okay? And then once I'm talking to you, I see the glossy eyes, and then I see you slurring your speech, and then I also smell an alcoholic beverage coming from within the vehicle. Once you stepped out of the vehicle, I still continue to smell that alcoholic beverage. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Do you want me to base my decision on that alone, or would you be willing to perform the standardized Field Sobriety Tests?
If you perform the sobriety test, you're gonna fuck me over regardless.
Okay. Please understand you can refuse, but know that any such refusal can be used against you in court. You understand that? Or you still... Let me know when you're complete.
That's 50.
Okay.
I forgot how many, I'm sorry. I got messed up in the puddle.
Okay. Do you want to redo that task?
Yes, sir. How many
Okay,
was
well
it?
let's go back down here.
How many steps was it?
I'll explain it again once we go back down here. Let's go back over here next to your...
This puddle messed me up. I'm sorry.
Okay. So what I'll do is I'll explain the instructions again
Just
to
tell
you.
me the steps. That's all I care about.
Okay. Well, like I said, I'll explain the instructions to you again. Okay. So what I'm going to get you to do... Okay. Like I said, get back in the starting position. Left foot on the line, right foot in front of it.
Okay. She fails the sobriety tests and is placed under arrest. However, the situation in the patrol car escalates quickly when she manages to slip her hand out of the handcuffs.
So you understand. Get back in the thing that I told you. Okay. Do not stop. You're literally just making things worse for yourself. Don't do that. Stop. Seriously. You're just making things worse for yourself.
Leave me alone.
Hey. Are you serious? Do not do this. Stop. Stop. We're done. You're already in this situation. Do not make it worse. Okay, here's the issue. You're about to catch another charge. So either face that way and let me put these handcuffs on you, or we can go that route. Face this way and stop moving. That's all you have to do, literally. Stop.
Leave me alone.
Seriously. I'm going to give you one last chance and you're about to catch another charge. Okay? I'm not playing around with you.
I'm not playing around either.
Okay, then stop. Seriously. We're already in this situation. You're just going to end up making it worse for yourself. Stop. Okay, then stop. Turn this way so I can adjust these cuffs so they're not too tight on you. Okay. Let me lock these cuffs. Okay, set up for me so these things don't get any tighter on your hand. Okay. Thank you. Okay, I'm trying to lock this.
What?
Okay. Try not to move around too much, okay? And do not get out of those handcuffs again. $223. I'm back to 19.
I don't like this shit.
Like what?
I don't like it.
Okay. I can't because you slipped the cuff twice now. Twice. Listen to me. Hey. Sit up for me.
After a physical struggle to resecure her, they arrive at the jail. There, her mood shifts from aggressive to bizarrely flirtatious.
How many do you have? How many tattoos?
16.
16? Fuck. What's your favorite one?
I don't know. I got a poem on my back.
Oh, what?
One more time. Poem.
Pole?
Poem.
Ready?
Yep. Keep going, 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 keep going. Alright, hold on. Perfect.
A pole? Like a stripper pole?
Poem.
Like words.
What's it say?
Be not like those whose hearts are filled with the fear of death, so that way when their time comes to die, that we can pray for a little more time.
That's long as fuck.
Yep. Instead, sing your death song and die like a warrior, come home.
I dig it. I like your tattoos.
Down the right side of the back.
Yeah. All the way down. See, he's lame. Blake don't have nothing. Come on, Blake. Get you that green Power Ranger.
I'll think about it.
We'll go be twinsies.
Let's do it, man. You gotta get the pink one though.
Look, if you want to get chicks, if you want to put some chicks, you gotta get some tattoos. You're single right now, right? You look single.
Nope.
You're not? Oh, well, you look single. If you want a hot chick, you gotta get some tattoos. I bet you pull some hot chicks, don't you?
Used to.
Used to?
Used to.
Not anymore?
I gave that game up a long time ago.
Nah, you a career guy?
Pretty much.
Yeah. Shit, I'm single.
What, you 19?
Yeah. How old are you?
I'm almost old enough to be daddy.
Oh, I'll call you daddy. I like a good daddy. You're hotter than he is.
Well, thank you. I've been telling him that for years.
Yeah, he hurt my arms. You didn't. You're nice to me. It looked like you got some Irish.
Celtic.
See, same thing, right?
Pretty close.
Yeah.
Right next to each other.
Yeah, see, I'm on the redhead, I'm on the Irish. Look, if you write down your number and I'll hang out with you.
If you could turn back the clock and change any of your decisions tonight, what would you change?
Take a different road to avoid you. No, I'm kidding. Nothing. I still have a good time and I still drive. And I get an Uber. I'd be responsible to get an Uber. Write that shit down.
Okay.
Responsible thing.